obviously, I don't know if you guys know this about me, but I'm Ninja's cousin, second greatest Fortnite player in the world. You're about to see that right now. What's going on, everybody? My name is Andrew, and welcome back to the channel. For those of you that are new here, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and welcome to the family. So today, right? Today's Tuesday. It's about 6 o'clock. I gotta throw some clothes on, head to class, and then head to the gym. But I want to tell you guys, tomorrow at 5 a.m. we are waking up and we are driving to New Hampshire. I live in Connecticut, by the way, so it's about 3 hours away to where we're going. Little day trip, gonna go on a nice little trail, see a river, see the leaves. It's the middle of October. It's fall. It's beautiful out. Only problem, there's snow on the forecast, all right? And if you live in Connecticut, you know we haven't got snow yet. So not really looking forward to that, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Content is needed. And that's what we're driving into right now. Make sure you keep all hands and feet inside the vehicle at all times and enjoy your ride. Gas almost full, just got my oil change.
Woohoo! We're ready to go! It's 6:15 in the morning! Early bird gets the worm! Let's go! I'm 3 team! 1, 2, 3, team!
What is wrong with you? We just came into Vermont about like 2 minutes ago, making pretty good time. It is 7:47. Left Connecticut around 6:30, so it's not bad at all. Hour drive to Vermont. Got approximately 2 hours left. Just stopped at the Vermont Welcome Center, basically. You stop here all the time. So we're gonna do it, keep it in tradition, walk around, stretch out the legs, take a shit. It's like, no, I don't. go pee, you know, maybe get another coffee, because Duncan failed his twice today. This is, we bought a coffee, tried it, terrible, threw it out the window. I'll give you some more updates on the way, should be there soon. We're in a really small town right now in New Hampshire. Honestly, I think it's Bedell, New Hampshire. Yeah, like they literally elect their sheriff, like their main police officer in the town. Like they elect him. It says right there, re-elect Doug Dudley for sheriff. But yeah, I just want to show you like where we are. We're right next to Bedell Bridge State Park. Might want to check that out.
Watch out for this guy.
Jeez, everyone runs across the road here. Like, this is the 4th person. We saw a ghost, none. Pretty sure it was a ghost. Then some guy walking, then this dude just ran out. Like,
ain't scared out here.
Nope. Hey.
Hi. What are you doing over there?
Oh, they're all looking at us.
Nice ass. Where?
I don't think you'll be able to see it on the camera, but it's definitely snowing out right now. Why are you always turn around?
I don't want to talk right now.
Just a little mad. Just stop for a second. It's a winter wonderland out here. So I had to check. I thought I had a flat tire, but I don't. So we're good to go. About to get back on the road. Kind of don't have service. So wish us luck. So yeah, the place we went to literally closed 2 days ago for the season, and I still think we could be able to go in because it's a state park, and like, you can't really close woods. Like, you can't tell me I can't go through woods, but whatever. Jess doesn't want to do it, so we gotta do what the lady wants to do. So we found this other trail like 2 minutes down the road, beaver something trail. So I'm gonna check this out. It is legit snowing out here. We got some water already. This water is crystal clear. Crazy. So beautiful. Having fun, Jess? Let's see what we got over here. Definitely smells like snow. Oh, that's awesome. Only people here, obviously, because we're the crazy ones. And yeah, no animal sightings yet. Just chilling. Straight chilling. Yeah, we're gonna go to White National Forest or something like that. That sounds kind of racist, but we are in New Hampshire, so. Trying out our socks, well, my socks, because I definitely stepped into a below freezing river by accident. So yeah, we just finished the first spot. Just checked it out. Wasn't anything serious. Kind of probably only went like 40 feet because we're just unfamiliar with the area, and it was super quiet because of the snow, and just kept getting scared, so we
I was pretty scared actually.
we're at the second spot. It's like a campground, sort of like trail area. Some dog walkers out here, but I'm about to go down there. I'm not gonna bring the camera. I'll just bring the phone. Wish me luck.
Nothing. What is this guy doing? Don't fall in there. What? They are? They're gonna fall and slip. Well, be careful.
We gotta find a different way.
Yeah, we do.
winter. This is incredible. Look at that. That's fucking dope. Excuse my French. Like, you don't see this type of stuff every day. Incredible. Incredible. Bro, I'm astonished right now. I just want to jump in this fucking water. I'm so hype. Naked. Just with a thong on. Don't try this at home, ladies and gents. Oh, it's freezing. Look at that. We're trying to get warm in the car. It's a bit chilly out there. Let me tell you.
I love if we figure out how exactly cold it is.
How cold is this?
Yeah.
Just pull down your other one.
40 degrees.
No, that's wrong. We have no service. There's no way it's 40 degrees. It's snowing.
Yeah.
Anyways,
Sure.
but yeah, so like I just want to say that honestly, even if it's a day trip, like 2 hours away, like you should always just go do something, go travel, go see what's around you. Like a view like that is only 2 hours away from you sitting at home right now. So just, you know, be adventurous, and it's good. Like do it with someone you love. It's definitely a bonding experience, I would say. For sure. Like it's, you know, you're gonna be stuck in a car together all day, so that gets annoying, especially with her. And yeah, but like it's honestly gonna bring you guys closer, and it's just wonderful. Like honestly, I'm amazed at what I've seen today.
I'm speechless.
Still looking for a booth. Yep.
A what?
A booth. We're looking for a bear and a moose. Still trying to find one.
Yeah.
I've personally never seen a moose in the wild. I don't think Jess has either. I have seen a bear in the wild. Have you?
No.
No. So it would definitely be a cool experience for the both of us. But struck out so far. It's probably a little cold. Moose are inactive. Bear might be starting their hibernation. So better luck next time. But yeah, so right now we're gonna drive kind of back home towards Lake Winnisquam. I'm gonna show her the lake that I used to go to all the time, and then we're gonna head back home, probably back around like 7 or something. So we'll let you know when we get to the lake, or if, you know, anything special happens between then and now.